Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how we can pin our videos with our another video. So let's start. Before start, I hope all of you know how we can get desktop screen. If you don't know, let's see. Just open your Google, then type your youtube.com. After then just sign in with your ID. When you will sign in, then you will see such type of screen. Just click here, then there is option for your account. Select your account, then click on Creator Studio. After then Creator Studio, just come back on your video manager, then you will see your video from here. Okay friends, after then just select any video which you want to pin with your another video. So example, just I select this one, how to remove copyright. Okay friends, so just you can see here there is arrow option. Just click on here, and there is option for info and setting. Just click on there. This is very nice video friends, so please full watch if you want to understand properly. Don't skip any video. After then you will see such type of screen will be appear in front of you. Then just click on end screen annotation. So you can see this is option. Okay, just click on here. After click here, you will see such type of screen will be appear. Then if you will see in this side there is option for add element. Before it we have to select our template. Okay, so let's see what kinds of template we have available in our YouTube. So you can see here, this is your template. If you want to select logo also, you can select your logo. Okay, where if you will select any, you will see such type of border will appear. You can see this one border. Okay, so I just want to pin only one. If you want to pin 4, you can go downside, there is available 4. If you want to pin 2, such type of 2, or there is also available design in which layout or design you want to show your pin video. So just now I'm going to click only one. Example, I select this one. Okay friends, after I select this one, there is option for downside. You will see there is option for select. So click on select. When you will select your video, it will show such type. Okay, and after then you will see in this place it will come same like with our subscriber and video. Maybe you will not get this subscribe option. If you get also, you can add or delete from this option. Okay, example, I don't need this one GR logo. You can see in this place this is GR logo, I don't need, so you can delete from here. So okay, now there is only just playlist. Now we have playlist, but it is empty. We need to put video. So let's choose our video which we want to put, which we want to link or pin with our video. So with this one I'm going to pin thumbnail. Okay, I just select this one. Now there is option for save downside, so I just make save. Okay friends, after then you will see it will come such like. Okay, here you can see this is the option for timing. Okay, it means from now you will see here upside there is timing 10:39 and 10:59. It means our video when it will be 10:39, which we pin here, you can see this one downside, it will start from 10:39 and also it will finish 10:59. But I think it will be very long, and we need to make short. At least it should be 0.5 second. Okay, because if it will be long, maybe it will make disturbance to our viewer. So that's why I'm going to make sort this one. So from here you can make sort this from this cursor. Okay, now you can see this is 10:51. Here time you see 10:51. If you want to more sort, click again. Okay, now and after then now you 10:53, there is only 6 second difference. Now no problem, we can set this one. And also this down video, this one also we need to drag and we need to join same like this one. Okay friends, so after finish this one, just select save, then your video will be saved. Now we will go back side and we will see, or we will watch how it's look. Okay friends, if you want to see preview, there is also option for preview. Okay friends, so let's go to back from this option. So friends, we came back and now we are going to check it's available or not. So this is the video which we make pin. Okay friends, now we will play this one and we will go in last. So now we will see what we pin or which video we pin with our this video. It will come here. This is very good video friends, so for understand please watch full, and also this video is very good. Now you can see it came here, and also it did not disturb to our video. So this is the process. I hope you like. So friends, bye bye. I will become with my next video. Till then, bye bye friends.